The more I read right now, the more I get educated on Bitcoin and this entire market and where we are right now at this point of time, the more bullish I get on the future of Bitcoin, the future of cryptocurrency. In this video, we're going to take a look at the price action today, but then we're going to go in depth a little bit and talk about the macro. And I want to bring up a couple different content pieces here for you just to give you some insight and get you excited, hopefully, about what's coming. And it has to do with institutional adoption. Yes, it has to do with where we are in terms of a Bitcoin ETF. Yes, where we are in the macro. All of these things will be addressed in this video. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you guys smash that like button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Put the all box checked so you don't miss out on any other content right here on this channel. With that being said, crypto right now is gearing up, I think, for the biggest run we've ever seen. And there's a lot of signs that are pointing to that. And before we get there, let's take a quick look at the overall market, guys. Bitcoin is back up over 28,000. Yes, just crossed over 28,000. Okay, big pump here to start the morning. You could see it right there. Boom, right there on that chart. You can even see it even better right there. We just got momentum up indicator flashing on our 1 day. That's right. This is the fourth time this year the momentum up indicator that I use, this is my company, XTAlgo, fourth time this year that Bitcoin momentum up signal has flashed on the daily chart, guys. It flashed at 27,800. Last time we flashed around this time period, we went all the way up to $31,700. That is going to be the important threshold to watch here as we see this breakout take place. Coming back down from 25,000, we have been on a nice little uptrend since September 11th. Now, that alone should excite you about where we're heading. That alone should get you fired up. However, I want to give you some more insight here. Crypto Rover says, while you're panicking about Bitcoin at 27,000, now 28,000, consider this. A Bitcoin spot ETF is coming end of this year, he says. The SEC has no choice. More on that here in just a little bit. Hash rate at all-time highs. Halving in 190 days. U.S. debt going exponential. Not to mention Bitcoin on exchanges at an all-time low. This is freaking bullish. Now, check out this. New BitMEX founder projects 750,000 to 1 million Bitcoin price by 2026. He says, I think it will be the biggest boom in financial markets we have ever seen in human history. How about this? Breaking Ex-Blackrock director says SEC will approve all spot Bitcoin ETFs within 3 to 6 months. To go along with this point, Cathie Wood, very recently, of course, she heads up ARK Invest, called Tesla. Unbelievable investor, unbelievable track record. She recently said once one Bitcoin ETF gets approved, which will probably be BlackRock's first, hers and all the others will be approved as well. It'll be a quick domino effect. And if the United States is anything like Canada, quickly then thereafter, we should see an Ethereum ETF approved. In Canada, I believe it was about 5-6 weeks later, and then the Ethereum ETF was also approved. So, that should excite you. And so should this. This is probably the biggest thing that excites me the most. Let me move my box here so you can see this. All right, check this out, guys. This is Bitcoin 2020 in the first box on the left-hand side of your screen. All right, and next to it is Bitcoin 2023. So if you look at these charts, you look at Bitcoin back in 2020, look how eerily similar this setup is right now. This is where we are right this moment. We're starting to slowly build back up. Last time we saw this type of chart action, and again, this is just one data point, we'll see, right? But this is very telling. Very telling. Look what happened. So, could this be the start to the bull run right now? It could quietly be. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Share this video, like it, subscribe to the channel for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.